Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create an account on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to the link in the description. You will go to this page, click on register, and we have here, welcome to Exness, create an account. Now you have to choose your country. So you can type your name here. For me, it's Morocco. As you can see, this one, click on it. Now you have to enter here your email address and you have to add your password. So I will use this one for example. And you have to check on this one. I declare and confirm that I'm not a citizen or a resident of the US for tax purposes. Okay, make sure you click on this one. Click on continue. And now as you can see, choose trading account. We have demo and we have real. So let's choose demo for example. Now go to these dots here, these ones, click on it and click on personal area. You have to complete your profile. So click on complete profile. Now the first thing, you have to confirm your email address, you have to confirm your phone number, and you have to add your information. So let's click on get start now. Let's go to our email address. This is our email verification. Copy and paste it here. Okay, now we have confirmed your phone number. I already have an account, but let's see if it worked. Okay, for you have to add your phone number here and you will receive a verification code. Click on continue. It may work. Okay, this is my code 2699. That's good. Now click on complete now. And you have to add here your first name, your legal name. So let's add, for example, like this. AB. This is just an example for you. You have to add your legal name. You have to add the date of birth here. Let's say, for example, like this. And we have here the country of birth. So for me, it's Morocco. Choose your gender. So for me, it's male. Your residential address. You have to add your address here. After that, click on continue. Now we have here investment, hedging, speculation. So choose investment, for example. Choose, for example, retired. You can choose whatever you want. Car dealers. Continue. Savings. Let's say this one. And let's say this one. What is your anticipated annual income? Let's say this one. Let's say this one. Do you have education qualification? Let's say yes. What would you be required to margin for wallah, blah, blah, blah. Choose, for example, this one. Your open position may be closed automatically. Choose this one. Choose this one. YouTube. Before engaging in trading, please consider your financial situation. I will review, I understand, and I acknowledge. Choose all of these. Click on submit and contact details verified. Now click on verify identity and you have to upload your ID card or your password. Okay, so click on upload. Click on confirm and click on submit document. So I will choose ID card. If you have a driver's license, choose this one. If you have a passport, choose this one, or residence card. Okay, so I will choose ID card. Upload the front here. Let's go to desktop. I will choose Mr. Ben. And I will choose the back here. Like this. So as you can see, we have information from your document cannot be read. That's because this is not a real card, okay? It's a fake card. So click on submit a new document and add a new one. In that set, your account will be verified. Now, if you want to open a demo account, click on demo here and click on trade. Click on Exness terminal. And now you can use Exness here. As you can see, you can buy, you can sell, you can do whatever you want. So let's buy, for example, confirm. As you can see, this is our trade. This is our position. Now we are making 0.08. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.